beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making lasagna. For that I'll need 1 kg of minced beef, and now I'll take 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute this in hot oil. After that I'll add the meat in the chopped garlic. After it releases some water, then I'll add half cup of chopped onions. Now I'll mix all 3 ingredients well. At this point, I'll add 2 medium-sized tomato cubes. Then I'll add salt as per taste, and then I'll add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I'll add half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Lastly, I'll add few chopped green chilies. Now I'll mix all the ingredients properly and then let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll squeeze half of a lemon. Then I'll sprinkle few chili flakes, and then lastly I'll add half cup of tomato paste. So now I'll add half cup of water and give this a quick mix. Now it's time to add chopped coriander leaves. Lastly, I'll just cover the lid of the pan and let this cook for 10 minutes. On the other side of the stove, I will boil the lasagna sheets for 2 minutes. After boiling this, I'll immediately transfer the sheets into the cold water. Now I will prepare the white sauce. For that I will add the butter in the pan and then add chopped garlic, and then I'll add half cup of flour. After mixing the flour properly with the chopped garlic, now I will add half cup of milk in it. Then make a very fine paste. It's time to assemble the items serially. First of all, I'll spread white sauce into the dish, and then I'll add the lasagna sheet one by one. And be careful, do not break the sheets. Thirdly, I'll add the beef on top and then spread evenly. As you can see, I've spreaded the beef evenly. Now I'm sprinkling the oregano leaves. Last but not the least, I am adding shredded mozzarella cheese on top. One layer of the lasagna is complete. Now I will repeat the steps equally. It's an authentic and heavy dish, so I would suggest you to add mozzarella cheese generous amount. So our lasagna is ready to bake. Now we will proceed this to bake. I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. So our lasagna is ready to eat. Please be careful when you get this out of the oven because you can burn your fingers. Our tasty and delicious lasagna is ready to eat and you can serve this with love. Please feed this to your loved ones, share this with your friends and family. Now you can take a sharp knife and cut this in squares. The mozzarella cheese is finely baked and it looks beautiful. I'm sure whoever is watching this right now is craving for this because it looks so good and so mouth-watering. You must try this at home and share this with your family. So I have shown you the most easiest way to make authentic Italian lasagna. If you want more videos like this, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up for more super duper videos. So I'll see you next time with another amazing video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.